Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. On today's episode, we're going to be painting this custom color wall a nice green. The trim has already been painted, and I like to use the Benjamin Moore interior white semi-gloss. Okay, start high, get some paint on there. Now let's work our way down low to the woodwork. We're not touching the mantle. We're just going right above it, a fraction of an inch. There you go. Go over your work. Not too shabby. Let's start out here, draw up, go into the 45 with your tipped pencil and draw straight up. Go over your work and go straight up. There you go. Okay, listen up, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to use the 9-inch roller with our collapsible pole, and we're going to roll it the same way we do all the other walls. We're going to start in the middle and go all the way up and all the way down, so follow through. Okay, everybody, that's a wrap. We got the quality paint job going here, the white semi-gloss Benjamin Moore, the Benjamin Moore custom color for the wall, and that would be quality from start to finish.